Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I will demonstrate how you can download VirtualBox in Windows. Simply type VirtualBox and search. You will be presented with this website, Oracle VM VirtualBox. So you need to visit this website and you can download the latest version. Right now I have VirtualBox 7.0. Just click and there are different options, so you can download VirtualBox for different platforms like Mac operating system, Linux, etc. In this video I will demonstrate how you can download for Windows operating system to set up your ethical hacking penetration testing virtual lab. You can also use VMware, but I'm using VirtualBox. So you can see the download process started. We also need to download the extension pack. You can see here VirtualBox 7.0, 7.0.8 Oracle VMware VirtualBox extension pack. So I'll also download this all supported platform. You can see we'll double click this after it's finished. You can see fully downloaded, I mean completely, and I will double click. And it should start the installation process. We'll click on yes. Okay, if your Windows system doesn't have Microsoft Visual Studio C++, then you have to install it. So we'll click. I'll pause the video now and then I think, yeah, this one. Hopefully this is the download. Let me download it first. Need to sign in. Okay, now you can see I am in myvisualstudio.com and I need to download this Visual Studio, Visual C++ redistribution for Visual Studio 2019. I'll download it. After this requirement, then I can download VirtualBox. If you already have this, you don't have to follow this step. You can skip. I'll just install. So setup is done successfully. Now I will go back to downloads where I have my VirtualBox setup. Double click again, try to install it, and this time I'm able to install it. As you can see, I'll just go with the default next, and then yes, install. Almost done. So it's very simple, guys. Now it's finished. I can start VirtualBox. So this is how it looks. Right now I don't have any virtual machines. I will just, in my upcoming video, I will just show you how we can set up all the virtual test beds labs for our hands-on practical for ethical hacking and penetration testing. So I'll just go to tools, extension pack, and here I can install extension packs. So you can double click, you can go to downloads and double click this, or you can also use this way. I mean, select this way and then open it. Now install. And you have to agree the license, and the extension pack is also installed successfully. So this step is done, and then we can quit. So this was the quick video how to install Oracle VirtualBox in Windows 10 machine. You can follow the same instruction to download for in Windows 11 machine as well. So guys, thanks for watching.